Are you going to talk to me? Are you going to tell me something? You looked a little talkative a second ago. No? You just want to lay there and lick yourself? Rose, what are you doing? You're not talkative today? Just lazy and tired. What are you doing? You're not talkative? What happened to your toy? Hey, Rosie, can you get the bug? Can you get the bug? Where's the bug? Is there a bug? Did sister scare you? Sister sneezed and scared poor Rosie. Rosie, is there a bug? Where's the bug? Get the bug. Where's the bug? What are you doing? Hi. Do you hear Daddy outside? Hello. 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 What are you doing? You're not talkative today? No? No talking? No talking? Okay. All right. We don't have to talk. We don't have to talk. We don't have to talk. Hi. I love you. I love you.